Hey y'all, welcome to channel Fresh Go. So this is Alicius, and today I will be sharing with you guys a recipe of how I make my favorite tea bags. Do enjoy. So we're going to start off with 7 cups of flour. You can sift it or you don't have to. Today I couldn't because my sieve is lost. I think it broke. So yeah, just measure 7 cups of flour. Now you can add 2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. You can use 2.5 if you have a sweet tooth, but I decided to go with 2. Well, it's actually 1.5. But yeah, they will taste amazing still. Now you can add your baking powder. So you add 7 teaspoons of baking powder. That matches your cups of flour. So if I use 10 cups, I would use 10 teaspoons of baking powder. Now you give your dry ingredients a very good mix. Please take note, I didn't add any salt, and that is because I'll be using Irama, the red original one. But if you're using unsalted butter, you can always add a tablespoon of salt just to balance out your flavors. Time to add the butter or the rama that I went with. Please make sure that your butter is at room temperature. Well, as you can see, mine has started melting a bit. I left it out since in the morning and it was a very sunny day, so don't be fazed by that. For this recipe, please do not use any equipment. We're now going to use our fingers to mix our dry ingredients with the butter. Time to add the eggs. I'm adding 3 large eggs. I'm adding some lemon extract for some flavor. Adding some vanilla essence. Well, this is not just for the flavor, it is rather compulsory in the recipe. Now it's time for the milk. I decide to add 2.5 cups of milk, but it's entirely up to you. You can always use less or more depending on how you would like your cookies. I am carefully mixing my dry ingredients after I've transferred them to a bigger bowl. because now I'll be adding my wheat ingredients. Now you can add all your wet ingredients that you've probably mixed very well to your dry ingredients. Be gentle on this step and don't choose or rush it, so that everything can have a good and nice consistency. Alright, at this stage you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While my oven is being preheated, I am greasing my pan using the leftover rama that's still remaining on the paper. You can always be free to use baking spray. Now you can transfer all your dough into the pan and bake it for, let me say, 20 minutes, or just bake it until it is well done. I am not very familiar with stove settings, but I know that at 200 degrees 20 minutes is enough for mine. So before you remove your bake from the oven, please make sure you do a toothpick test, and that is when you insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clear, you know that it's ready, and if it doesn't, you have to put it back to the oven and make sure that it bakes thoroughly. You can then start slicing and your cookies are ready to go. Do enjoy.